If you're seeing the Telegram error message that says email not allowed, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it quickly and safely. This is a common issue that can happen when Telegram thinks something about your login setup, recovery settings, or network looks suspicious. The good news is that there are a few simple steps you can take to solve it without guessing or wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, the most important step is to log in using the mobile app before you try the PC version again. Open the official Telegram app on your phone and sign in using your phone number or, if available, the QR code login method. This helps confirm that your account is active and properly verified through the official mobile app. Once you're inside, take a moment to check your account settings and set up your recovery email safely under your phone's privacy settings. This step is important because Telegram may block or limit certain actions if your account recovery information is incomplete or inconsistent. After you've confirmed everything on mobile, you can try the desktop login again. Next, make sure you are using the official Telegram PC app. A lot of login problems happen when people accidentally download a modified version, a third-party client, or a copy from an unofficial source. To avoid that, go directly to the official Telegram website and download the desktop app from there. This ensures you're using the correct version of the software and reduces the chance of errors caused by unsupported or altered clients. If you already have the app installed, it's still worth uninstalling it and reinstalling the official version just to be safe. Now let's talk about your network connection, because this is another major reason the email not allowed error can appear. Telegram may flag strict VPNs, proxies, or unusual network activity as suspicious. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off temporarily and then sign in again. The same goes for proxy settings. Disable them for now and test the login on a normal connection. If possible, switch to a stable home Wi-Fi network or your mobile data and see if the error disappears. Sometimes, Telegram's automated spam filters are triggered by the network itself rather than the account, so changing the connection can make a big difference. After making these changes, go back to the Telegram PC app and try logging in again. If the account is verified on mobile, the official desktop app is installed, and your network is clean, the error should be resolved in many cases. If not, give it a little time and try again later, because temporary server-side flags can also clear after a short wait. The key is to keep everything consistent. Use the official app, confirm your account on mobile first, and avoid flagged networks or suspicious login behavior. To recap, the fastest way to fix Telegram email not allowed is to log in through the official mobile app first, set your recovery email safely, use the official Telegram desktop app from the real website, and turn off VPNs or proxies that may be triggering Telegram's filters. These steps solve the issue for most users and help you get back into your account without unnecessary frustration. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Telegram troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.